Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your speaker JBL Flip 7 on your iPhone. So we have only one option how to check it. Normally we can use a widget, but as you can see I add a widget and we have no information about the battery level, so we don't need it. And the only option is to use an application. So open JBL Portable application, and if you add your speaker to this application, right here at the top you will see battery percentages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.